Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to play Free Fallin' by Tom Petty. You only need 3 chords to play the entire song, and those 3 chords are F major, which is F, A, and C, and that's the F major chord in the root position. The next chord you will need is the B flat major, which is F, B flat, and D, and that's the B flat major in the second inverted position. And the third chord you will need is the C major in the first inversion, which is E, G, and C. Altogether is the first inversion of the C major chord. Now the song is very simple. It's essentially the same pattern over and over and over again. So that would start with the F chord, and then you can keep your thumb or your first finger on the F note and then move over to the B flat and to the D, creating the B flat major, and then you go back to the F major, and then you move down the first 2 notes to the E and the G, creating the C major. So altogether it is and there you have it. That's Free Fallin' by Tom Petty. Hopefully you learned a little something. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.